Hello, language learners. Today I have come with a new topic, that is order of personal pronouns. Before diving into the rules, let us first of all see or recall or refresh our memory with the words called personal pronouns. So, we have 7 personal pronouns: I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. When we use them in sentence, we have also rules, but sometimes we have to use more than one personal pronoun together in a sentence. Then there are certain rules that we have to follow. So first of all, let us refresh our memory with the personal pronouns and their division into first, second, and third. The first person pronouns are I and we. Second person pronoun, we have only one, that is you. And third person pronouns are he, she, it, and they. If you want to know detailed information on these personal pronouns, please watch my video on personal pronouns and their use. For now, let us learn how they can be used when they come together in single sentence. If single sentence, you have to use first person, second person, and third person. So what will be their order? What will be their placement? That is my first rule. So in that case, you will use the second person first, third person later, and first person in the last. But before doing that thing, keep this thing in your mind. This order will be implemented when the sense of your sentence is positive or your sentence is positive. Let us learn this rule through practical examples in the language. The green letters are the personal pronouns in my old sentences. So, you, he, and I. I placed you, second person, he, third person, and I in the last will have to work together. This is the right order of putting the personal pronouns together in single sentence. Second example, you, second person, he, third person, I, first person, can change the world. This happens when all the 3 persons are used in single sentence. But if you have second person and first person, what will be their order? So the rule number 2 is you will place second person first and then first person, as only you and I. You, second person, I, first person, have been promoted. So here you and I, we are following this order, second person and first person. They can also be used as object. In the first sentence, you and I are subjects, but they can also be used as objects. Like in the second sentence, they are sending you, second person, and me, first person, abroad. So I placed second person first and first person later in the sentence. The third rule is that if you have second person and third person, so the rule will be you will place second person first and third person later. Like you and he. You, second person, he, third person. Must mend your ways. But in the second sentence, we are using them as objective cases. But still the order will be same. So I have made tea just for you and him. Second person and third person. The rule number 3. The rule number 4 is that if you have third person and first person and you want to make a sentence and they come together, then the rule will be third person first and first person later. Like he and I. He, third person, I, first person, will be selected in the team. In the second sentence, they have tossed him, third person, and me to look after the kid, me, first person. So I place third person first and first person later. So these are the 4 rules we follow when the sense of your sentence is positive. But if the sense of your sentence is negative or bad actions, then the order will be different. When the actions are unpleasant or negative or express blame, when you play a blame game, then you have a different order in your sentences. So in that case, you will place first person first, second person in the middle, and third person in the last. Like I plus you plus he, she, it, are they, whatever of the them come in the as a third person. Let us understand this rule through the sentences I, you, and he. So I, first person, you, second person, he, third person, or to blame. In this sentence, there is a blame game. So the order of the pronouns has changed. Second example is I and you. I, first person, you, second person, misunderstood him. The order changes because we put the speaker first to task the responsibility. Means we hold responsible the first person for a certain bad action, unpleasant situation, or blame or the negative thing that has occurred or happened. I hope you learned this rule of order of the personal pronouns. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Until my next video, bye bye.